How to self-enroll in a Medicare plan online. Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to self-enroll in a Medicare plan using Medicare Self-enroll.com. You'll be able to compare plans, choose what's best for you, and enroll, all from the comfort of your own home. Step 1. Visit Medicare Self-enroll.com. Step 2. Enter your zip code and some basic details to see all the available Medicare plans in your area. Step 3. Use the filters to compare plans based on coverage, cost, and benefits, making sure you find a plan that fits your needs. Step 4. Once you've found your plan, click Enroll Now and follow the prompts to fill in your personal information. Step 5. Review everything to make sure it's correct, and then submit your application. And that's it. It's that simple. Our online chat is available 24/7 in English and Spanish. Start enrolling today at MedicareSelfEnroll.com and secure your Medicare plan for 2024 in just a few clicks.